Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. This is my latest in beauty box. These are my March picks. You have a slight sneak peek in there. Basically with latest in beauty you pick your own items and there are drops every Friday. Usually about 5 products, but in March they had more than 5 products every Friday. There will be a lot more information in the description box if you want to know how latest in beauty works. But the reason I'm mentioning this is because I was certain I had done my picks on the second Friday of the month, so second drop. And then about 10 days later I went to see what was going on with my parcel to then find that I have picked the items I wanted, but I didn't actually check out. Some things were sold out at the moment when I checked this, so I waited until the next Friday, the following Friday, to do my picks. When I wanted to do my picks was the drop with all the body butters from Grayskull. Luckily for me, when I did eventually place my order, one of the body butters came back in stock, and it happened to be the one that I liked the idea of it the most. So it's this one with grapefruit, lime and mint scent. So that does require some squeezing because it is a body butter, so it won't be exactly runny. But that's it there. And yes, it smells just as nice as I expected it to smell. I also happen to have found the scrub in this exact scent in TJ Maxx not long before placing this order. So yeah, that worked out nice because I know I've got the scrub and the body butter to go with it. Okay, then I've picked the Hall of Fame, which is Selfless by Hiram. The Niacinamide and Maracuja Daily Barrier Support Moisturizer. And this is what it looks like. I am not going to try it and open it because I am using one at the moment, but then after that I've got no more moisturizers, so this will do nicely after I finish my current one. Just as a side note, I have seen the serum in this range in Home Bargains for something really stupid like £2 or £3, so it could be worth going in your local Home Bargains to see if you can find the serum if you have the cream and you want to complete your skincare routine from the same range. Then I have a cleansing butter which I've used last night because I couldn't help myself, which is why it's out of its sleeve. This is the Bandy anti-irritate cleansing butter, and yeah, it works quite well. Just as you expect from a cleansing butter, you rub between your fingers and turn it into an oil, and then you put on your skin. So that's what it looks like there. So as I rub, it turns into more of an oily texture. Can't see that great on the back of my hand, but you know, it just works as any other cleansing butter you'd expect to work. And then I got another cleansing thing. This is from Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash, which also exfoliates. It has AHA, vitamin C, and vanilla. So obviously not a daily cleanser, but still like a nice exfoliating cleanser. All right, this is looking very interesting. Yeah, so I would guess this is more of a chemical exfoliant rather than a physical one. As you can see, I can't see any granules or anything like that. So it would be the AHAs in it that provide the exfoliation. Yeah, really interesting. Can't wait to use this one. By the way, I really don't mind opening the cleansers because I go through my cleansers quite a bit. I love cleansers. And this one also smells really nice. Then I thought I would try these greens 8 greens made from real greens, 10 tablets with blood orange flavor. So it says that it's made from 8 real greens, which is spinach, aloe vera, wheatgrass, kale, blue-green algae, spirulina, chlorella. I've never heard of chlorella before, and barley grass. So it would be obviously to get your greens in your diet. So yeah, I'm interested to try this. Okay, and the last item is a lipstick from Me Cosmetics, which is the Hydra Boost Lip Lover. And this is what it looks like. And it has this kind of like hydrating band, like going right through the middle of it. I have something similar from Avon. They do a similar lipstick, only that the lipstick color surrounds that hydrating band. And I have been good, and I haven't swatched it yet. So yeah, let me swatch this. Okay, I am impressed with this color. I didn't expect this to be a glossy finish. I don't know how well it shows up on that, but it's a glossy finish. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. And as you use it, obviously the color will go over that hydrating band in the middle. So I've just put this on, and honestly it feels like a lip balm. It is so nice. If by the time I upload this or I edit this, I have pictures with me wearing this, I'll insert this here. Yeah, really pleased with this. I think it was a great choice on my part. So these are my picks for March. I am filming this on the 2nd of April, just to let you know. And I will not have an unboxing for April because I have paused for April. There is nothing there that I'm like, yeah, I could do with that one. There's actually, as I was going through the list, I was like, no, not this one, not this one, not this one. It's just nothing actually caught my eye. So I have paused for April. I'll be back for May with my latest in beauty unboxings. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you will subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.